ಶ್ರೀ ಸೂರ್ಯೋದಯ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಜ್ಞಾನಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆ ಬೈಚಾಪುರ. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದಂಥ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಪಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನಾಡಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯು 2003-2004 ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಸುಮಾರು 19 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸತತ ಉನ್ನತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಮುಂದಾಗಿದೆ. ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಿತದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಉತ್ತಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಕೊರತೆ ಬಾರದಂತೆ ಪಟ್ಟಣ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಿಗಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಲು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಬಂಧುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ವಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದೇ 6 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ SSLC ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ 100% ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ವಿ ರಾಯಚಂದ್ರ 625 ಅಂಕಗಳಿಗೆ 609 ಅಂಕಗಳು ಪಡೆದು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಎಂ ಗೋಕರೆ 596 ಅಂಕಗಳು ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಮನೋಜ್ ಕೆ ಬೈಚಾಪುರ 589 ಅಂಕಗಳು ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಯುವರಾಜ್ ಪಿ ದೊಡ್ಸಣ್ಣೆ 579 ಅಂಕಗಳು. ಪಿ ಇಂದ್ರಕುಮಾರ್ ಬೈಚಾಪುರ 571 ಅಂಕಗಳು. ರಾಹುಲ್ ಎನ್ ದೊಡ್ಸಣ್ಣೆ 528 ಅಂಕಗಳು. ನಾಗಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಎಂ ದೊಡ್ಸಣ್ಣೆ 519 ಅಂಕಗಳು. ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಎಸ್ ಬೈಚಾಪುರ 514 ಅಂಕಗಳು. ಮೋಹನ್ ಎಂ ಬೈಚಾಪುರ 507 ಅಂಕಗಳು. ಹಾಗೂ ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಉತ್ತಮ ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ತಂದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂಲ ಕಾರಣರಾದಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನುರಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ವೃಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಾಲಾ ಪರಿಸರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಮಟ್ಟ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ ಎಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಭರವಸೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
ಬಂಜರಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಭೂತಾಯಿಯ ಒಡಲಿನ
ಇಂದು ನಾನು ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೇಷನ್.
ಎಂತೊಂದು ಕಲಾಕೃತಿ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗ
ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಂಜೆಗೆ ಊರ ತುಂಬ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಂಚೋಣ
Explain about wind turbine. Wind turbine work on a simple principle instead of using electricity.
In India, from ISRO trust, they are launching Chandrayaan-3. The meaning of ISRO is
in orbit around from the sun. Through the smaller bodies, asteroids, meteorites, comets, the planets of the solar system are the distance from the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. There are 4 inner planets and there are 4 outer planets. Now my friend will explain about the inner planets.
Now I am going to explain about the inner planets. In solar system, we can see the 4 inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. First, I would like to tell about Mercury. Mercury, it is the smallest planet and it is nearer to the sun. Next is Venus. Venus is the brightest and hottest planet. It is also called the morning and evening star. Next is Earth. Earth is the third planet and it is suitable distance from the sun. It is also called the blue planet. It has one natural satellite and moons. Next is Mars. Mars is the reddish planet and it is the 4th planet in solar system. It is also called the second most smallest planet in solar system. Now my friend Lavanya will explain about the outer planets.
There are 4 outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. It has large north satellite. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. It has beautiful planet. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun. It has cold and windy planet. It's surrounded after 13 rings. Neptune is the 8th planet of the sun. It is very coldest planet and it is a rich blue color. Now I am explaining about the importance of solar system. Sun is the last star in the solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet. Venus is the brightest planet. Earth is a blue planet. Mars is red planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Saturn is beautiful planet. Uranus is cold and windy planet. Neptune is coldest planet.
Throw is called lava. The color of lava was depended on its temperature. The magma reached Earth's surface. It is called lava. Thank you, sir.
The transmitter convert wind energy to electrical energy and it supply power to cities, villages.
Organs and structures are used in gas, sex, animals and plants. The main parts of respiratory system, nose, throat and lungs. Function is to move fresh air into your body.
Water is not wasted at all. It is also a better method to avoid the wastage of water. It helps us to avoid time and energy.
Waste water into the rivers and apartments are building by destroying the forest, and electricity building more by using the water and kidney and their functions. The process of making urine is to filter out all waste products from the blood. Nitrogenous wastes such as urea or uric acid are removed from the blood in the kidneys. Its capital cluster is associated in
That made by plants and they breathed carbon dioxide. That carbon was produced by plants and the plants produce photosynthesis and the photocycle is very abundant element in our earth. Nitrogen gas makes a 78 atmosphere. Nitrogen is found in other biogenetic important compounds such as urea and complex 2.
and carbon dioxide. This process called photosynthesis. The sun gives off energy in the form of light. The plant absorbs the sunlight and take off
And effects. Firstly, I'll tell about the meaning of the acid. Acid is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when the compounds like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide are released into the atmosphere, and when
class 8 Najathi Public School, Pachapura. Now I am going to tell about global warming. Here you can see two side areas. One side you can see greenery, plants and Gate Public School. Now I am going to tell about dam. Dams are structures that hold back water and other liquid materials. Dams help us to store water and prevent droughts and floods. Dams are built on the river so that the water in the river can be controlled. The dam model consists of two chambers. We get oxygen and food from plants. In older days, people didn't have their own reserve. When time passed away, people got their own reserve and they started to cut trees in the forest. They